What's up, everyone? So, I created this Valentine's Day look with the shades of pink. My approach has been pretty minimalistic lately. I am in love with it, so without further ado, let's get started. Starting with my Meet Matte Nude palette, I am taking the lighter shade of brown on a fluffy brush, placing it slightly above my original crease line. While blending, I'm connecting the nose contour along with my crease shadow, and on the other side, I'm elongating it slightly so that my eyes look elongated. Using a fluffy brush will make sure that the placement of the shadow is very soft and diffused, and that's what we want. Now with the medium brown shade, we are creating a little more dimension, adding it just to the outer corner of the eye. While blending, make sure both the browns are diffused into each other seamlessly, giving a very blown out effect. The eye has to look elongated with a defined bone structure. Taking the lightest banana shade from the same palette, I'm adding onto my eyelids, cleaning up the crease as well. Taking the medium brown shade again on a pencil brush, I'm going to trace where I want my liner to be. I really wanted to create a soft liner effect, so I'm taking a brown gel liner and adding it to the exact place where we traced our liner with the shadow. The key here is blending all the colors into each other perfectly. In a video, we do have to edit most of it, but in real time, it takes some time. Now, taking a shade of pink, on the same pencil brush I used earlier, I'm blending it into the outer corner of my eye for a hint of pink. Using shade R21 from Kryolan Supra color range, they are extremely versatile and pigmented. Also, a pink eyeshadow, pink gel liner, anything can be used instead of this. I'm using the angular brush for precision and ease and placing it right above the brown gel liner. I also went ahead and added it on my crease. I really wanted the pink to stand out. I fell in love with the color. I couldn't help myself, but it turned out to be pretty good. So now I move on to lower lash line using a flat shading brush. I first use the medium brown, then the darker brown, and then add a hint of pink eyeshadow. Next, using the lighter color gel liner into waterline will make sure that I look wide awake and my eyes look dreamy. Now I'm preparing the lashes for some mascara and falsies. Mascara on the lower lash line has always been my favorite. It gives the eye such a beautiful doll effect. Now for this eye look, I especially chose pre-cut lashes just for the outer corners. I do not want the eye look to be hidden or weighed down by the false lashes. So these will give just the right amount of cat eye effect. They look super natural and are wearable for everyday look. Now just some finishing touches. I am using a tinted eyebrow gel on my eyebrows. Also using the banana shade from the Meet Matte Nude palette again. I'm placing it on the higher points of my eyebrow bone and cleaning up my eyelids. Now when it comes to the lips, I really wanted my lips to be nice and juicy and plush with an ombre effect. I started lining my lips with a shade which is closer to my lip color, and then I filled it in with MAC Velvet Teddy, and I then topped it with some Candy Yum Yum. Also, for a very defined look, I am adding some brown chestnut color onto the top and the bottom of my lip line and finishing it up with some gloss and some extra blush. I loved how the look turned out to be, so dreamy and extremely wearable. I try to play with more colors and make it more wearable for myself. I hope you enjoyed this look as much as I did. Until next time, bye.